Hey there, in these uncertain times, with the world dipped into inflation, you surely do not want to rely on any single source of income. That's why in today's video, we are going to dig deep into the methods from which you can earn money profitably. Number 1. Investment. Nothing comes close to investing in a good business. You provide them with a fair share of the money that the firm can add up to their capital. They do their business, perform their activities, and earn profit. In the end, you get a respectable amount of money from that earned profit in the form of a dividend. In this way, you can make money without needing to move a single inch. However, certain risks are obviously involved, such as the company on which you invest your money can face huge loss or can even go bankrupt. So it's better to do a little bit of research before investing your money. You should have a background knowledge of the company's performance in the financial market so that you can have a better idea. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Another popular way of earning instant money is affiliate marketing. For those of you who don't know, in affiliate marketing, you have to promote a specific product of the company on any of the social media platforms. And each time a customer buys the products through your given link, you would get a commission on it. For a low-risk business, you don't have to worry about the high startup cost. If done correctly, it will result in more sales, and hence, you will get paid accordingly. Number 3. Online paid surveys. Ever wondered how can companies claim that their product has the most satisfactory reviews among the masses? Well, it's simple. They conduct surveys, and there is some good news in it. They are paid. Companies are looking for people who are willing to invest their time in filling their surveys and giving their valuable reviews. In this way, you can earn money in no time, and very low risk is involved in it. There is no better way of earning instant cash without moving an inch from your place, and all of this is done online via your mobile phones and laptops. Number 4. Package or food delivery and rides. Since 2019, the food and package delivery business is on a rise. The popularity of such businesses is sold because people get to order what they like, and they will get that product at their doorsteps. Through this, you can make good use of your automobile and have an extra source of income. You can take this job as your side hustle, and it would prove to be a great deal in getting you meet your daily expenses and can even help you in saving for the near future. You can also drop off people at their desired location and can get paid accordingly. Applications like Uber are already people among the masses. You can have your first ride or order by just associating yourself with the application, and the user will select you if he is nearby. You will see his pickup location and accept the ride if you want to. There is a very low risk involved in this. However, you need to have an automobile or vehicle in order to get started. Number 5. Part-time job. It is rather popular among students to do a part-time job so that they can save up for the things that they are willing to buy. However, doing a part-time job is becoming more and more popular these days. Doing a part-time job lets you deal with the side expenses, if you have any. Otherwise, it is a great way of saving some bucks for the near future. You can also use the saved money to invest it on a business or in the stock market. There is little to no risk involved in doing a part-time job. However, it might be difficult to find one in the States, especially if you are an overseas worker or student. Number 6. Freelancing. Do you have adequate digital skills and want to make good use of them? Well, there is no need to worry, as there are multiple of reliable websites such as Fiverr and Upwork, where you can make a profile, publish your gig. Tell the customers about the services you offer and the time in which you will complete their order. There is no limit to how much you can make in a month. But if you are successful in it, then you can even take it as a full-time job, and you can work from home easily and effectively. That's it for today's video. We hope you would like it. If, according to you, there are methods of earning passive income, then make sure to list them down below in the comments section. We would be more than pleased to read them.